Why do I do tours? To go and just cycle, the two of us together bike packing, it's a big ask, I think, to keep it all going, where you join a tour and then you meet other people, they're like-minded, and you're all in it together, and we all like to talk bike, bike, bike.
You just become part of a team when you join a trip like this. All of a sudden, you turn up as individuals and it seems really, really hard, and you get a little bit of encouragement, and these things that look really hard to do, everyone just does it.
This trip has been amazing. From the day we arrived, I've found the staff to be really professional. The accommodation has been great, and it's a completely different standard.
We've been encouraged to ride the whole thing, and there's no rush. No one's telling you have to be here or there at any particular time. You got all day just to ride your distance.
And the other thing which I think is amazing is employing somebody like you to document the trip. I just think it's a tremendous advantage. The shots are great and you're going, yeah, I want to do that. And you can't capture that when you're doing it sometimes. We've not travelled much in Europe before, and coming up through Albania and all the places that we've got to look forward to, I'm really excited.
You're with people long enough that you make lifelong friends, and that's what we've done on other TDA trips. It might have been tough, and at the time you think it's a bit much for you, but you make lifelong friends and you enjoy it, and you kick back at the end and say, I want to do another one. That's really what it all adds up to.